Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at the SPY on the daily time frame using technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like this video, go to my website, sign up, it's $30 a month, or click down here in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do these videos every night for my members, and then I do the weekend update across the board on all the indexes, guys. So let's get right into the SPY daily time frame. 215 up on the day, a little bit down after hours. 88 million shares traded, 0.64% green on the day. Going into the jobs report, guys, we have the stimulus package, we have the coronavirus, we have the starting of the earnings season, we also have the debt ceiling, we also have this, that, and everything else. So what I tell my members right now, take it easy, go slow. We had a killer week. We killed it on some options, guys, and now we just kind of sit on our hands, let the news subside, and then we'll trade accordingly. If we look at the daily chart on the SPY, though, we are above some major support areas, which is the 50 and the 20 MA and the 618 retrace right here around that 334.73. Also, the 335 area is a big area of support as well. If you look at this, this was the last high pivot. That will be a big area as well as 338.83, and that's pretty much what we hit today. All right, so it's a little more bullish if we could get above this gap fill, get above 340 and start making a run for this 344 area or the 618 up here. Really, if you're going up, this is the 382, the 50 retrace, and the 618 retrace, and that's the Fibonacci level coming from the last pivot high to the last pivot low. We get above the 50% retrace, then it's slightly more bullish, but we're right there, guys, at the 50% retrace, meaning we could 50% we could go up, 50% we can go down, but as long as we're holding the support, we have a better chance of this thing just chopping around, building a base, and then possibly moving higher. We are still down sideways in a channel, though, chopping around. So we could be going to this higher channel, and next thing you know, going right to the lower channel. That's another thing we're looking at as well. But as long as we stay above the moving averages and above this 335 area, slightly more bullish. If we slip below tomorrow, we hit it with more volume, then we can start sliding again and possibly hit this top high, fill this gap, and go back to the lower end of the range. All right, and if we do that, guys, if we just come right back down, I think this area is going to crack, and we're going to start hitting the 200 and the 150. I mean, we're going into earnings too, another wild card, which is insane, but it's just something we're looking at. It's like a chess match, guys. We're looking 4 moves ahead to see what this thing possibly can be doing. And really, it's up sideways, a little bit of a micro bullish pattern, but overall, it's a macro bearish pattern, short term. All right, and tomorrow, it's all about the news. I don't know what they're going to give us, but we'll trade accordingly here at StockBookie.com. All right, another reason why we bounce. Let's go to the weekly time frame, a little bit bigger. We hit the 20 MA, guys. This was a good area. This is when we broke down, came back, retraced, came back, broke out. We consolidated here, ripped higher, came right back to the scene of the crime. All right, you can see a little bit better on the daily. But this is what we do for my members, guys. This tells you, hey, we could be a little more bullish if we go up. We could be a little more bearish if we go down and get below these moving averages, all right? In intraday action, we give you areas of support and resistance, and then we play accordingly the trades, you know, whether it's a short put, short call, long calls, long puts, short shares, or long shares. Those are pretty much our 6 trades that we do religiously here at StockBookie.com. So if you like these videos, guys, come check us out. $30 a month. At least you'll learn some technical analysis, and I can give you some good areas if you're in a trade or stuck in a trade to say, hey, here's more resistance up here, or hey, we're coming to a bounce area. So if you're long, we could get the bounce and then maybe cut the trade off. So all right, guys, thanks again for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. God bless. See you on the charts.